Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up voicemail on Grasshopper and configure professional greetings, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Grasshopper account using your web browser or open the Grasshopper mobile app on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to the settings or phone number settings section from the main dashboard or menu options. Step 3. Select voicemail settings or greetings from the available configuration options for your business number. Step 4. Choose whether you want to record a new greeting or upload a pre-recorded audio file. Professional greetings create a good first impression with customers. Step 5. If recording a new greeting, click record and follow the prompts. Speak clearly and professionally, including your business name and brief instructions for leaving a message. Step 6. Listen to your recorded greeting and re-record if necessary until you are satisfied with the quality and message content. Step 7. Configure voicemail notifications. Set up email or text notifications so you are alerted immediately when new voicemails are received. Step 8. Set up voicemail transcription if available in your plan. This feature converts voicemail messages to text for easy reading. Test your voicemail setup by calling your Grasshopper number from another phone and leaving a test message. Verify that notifications work, and you can access voicemails through the app, email, or web dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.